If you bet cold, if you bet snow, you're likely right. It's the time of year where we constantly see these pulses of colder temperatures, even seeing these clipper systems that move through as well. Today we saw some lake effect snow, actually had about half an inch here in Indy, but at least now we've seen the snow showers move out of the area, even seeing skies try to clear out as well. But really that big story, like Howard mentioned, is the cold. We saw temperatures this morning actually about 1 degree here in Indy, only getting up to 18 degrees, so almost 20 degrees below average, and it's really been the theme so far in January. Normally we sit about 37 for our high temperatures, overnight lows actually in the 20s as well, so notice we've seen 11 days where temperatures are above average, and we spent more days, just about 20 today, where we saw those temperatures actually below average next couple of days as well. Really that trend doesn't change. We could see temperatures try to get just about 2, maybe even a few spots above freezing, but it's just going to continue to feel cold even by the time we get towards the middle of the week, Wednesday, Thursday. Good chance we see temperatures actually back into the 20s, even rolling forward into February. Likely stays that way as well. So February 18th to the 14th, western part of the U.S., so from the Rockies to the west coast, it's just going to stay warmer, but notice the east coast, it stays cold. Even spots to the northeast seeing temperatures well below normal, so good chance we see multiple stretches where temperatures are below freezing, even a couple of days where we could stay in the teens as well. But for right now, very cold evening so far, about 6 here in Indianapolis. Cool spot now of 2 to Kokomo. Columbus sensor says -4, but most spots at this point, I expect that to be wrong. But even Terre Haute at 18 is our warm spot, and through the rest of the night as we see clouds start to clear on out, we should notice those temperatures slowly dropping through the single digits. It's about here in Indy, we should be about 1 degrees. I wouldn't be surprised to see a few spots try to drop below 0 as well. But incorporate the wind, we got a cold weather advisory. That's from 1 a.m. tomorrow to 9 a.m. This means easily seeing those wind chills below 0. So by the time we get to midnight, feeling as cold as -7 here in Indy and through really the overnight hours. Watch as these wind chills start to drop. So Rushville, Muncie by 7 a.m. feeling as cold as -18, -19. So expect things to feel cold. So if you have to step out the door first thing in the morning, definitely make sure you dress in layers. But by the time we get to lunchtime, we should notice those wind chills back into the single digits, even into the teens as well. The good news, however, we get back into the 20s tomorrow. Even seeing a few extra pockets of sunshine, going to help things at least feel a little bit better since we have just been very, very cold. And the good news is we actually get back into the 30s Monday, Tuesday. That's thanks to a warm front out ahead of a clipper system. Could return some snow chances Monday into Tuesday. Wednesday, going to be a drier day, but as we head towards the end of the week, temperatures drop back into the 20s Thursday. Again, we'll have to watch for a clipper system. Could bring some rain, could bring some snow showers. Any snow showers we see during the week could bring a light coating as well, so expect there to be slick spots anytime we see that snow. Howard?